Starlings are small to medium-sized songbirds in the family Strunidae. There are over 120 species of starlings found across Europe, Asia, Africa, and some introduced in the Americas and Australia. Here are the main types of starlings. Some of the most notable and widely recognized species. Common starling or European starling, native to Europe, Asia, and parts of North Africa. Medium-sized bird with glossy black plumage that shines green and purple in sunlight. Speckled with white spots in winter, known for excellent mimicry of sounds and living in large flocks called murmurations. Rosy starling, found mainly in Eastern Europe, Central Asia, and migrates to India in winter. Distinctive appearance, pale pink body with glossy black head, wings, and tail. Highly social and forms large breeding colonies. Diet mostly of insects, especially locusts during breeding season. Spotless starling, native to the Iberian Peninsula, Spain, Portugal, and Northwest Africa. Looks similar to the common starling but lacks white spots, especially in winter. Glossy black plumage with a purplish or greenish shine. Vocal with a varied repertoire of whistles and limitations. Superb starling, appearance striking with metallic blue-green back, chestnut orange belly, white chest band, and black head. Range Eastern Africa, Kenya, Ethiopia, Tanzania, Uganda, and Somalia. Behavior very social, often found in flocks, cooperative breeders where multiple birds help raise young. Habitat grasslands, open woodlands, and areas near human settlements. Greater blue-eared starling, appearance glossy blue-green plumage with bright yellow-orange eyes, slightly larger than the lesser blue-eared. Range widespread across sub-Saharan Africa, especially savannas. Behavior highly gorgeous, often joins mixed species flocks. Habitat open savannas, grasslands, and agricultural lands. Lesser blue-eared starling, appearance very similar to the greater blue-eared with shimmering blue-green plumage and yellow eyes, but usually a bit similar with shorter tail and slightly duller sheen. Range found in West, Central, and parts of East Africa. Behavior also social and often forms large flocks. Habitat open woodlands, savanna, and bushlands. Golden-breasted starling, appearance one of the most striking starlings, bright golden yellow underparts, metallic green back, and long violet blue tail. Range Eastern Africa, Somalia, Ethiopia, Kenya, Tanzania. Behavior very social, living in small groups, cooperative breeders. Habitat dry savannas, shrublands, and acacia country. Purple starling, appearance large glossy starling with an overall deep purple sheen and bright yellow eyes. Range widespread across tropical Africa, mainly West and Central Africa. Behavior gregarious, often seen in large noisy flocks. Habitat forest, edges, savannas, cultivated lands, and towns. Cape starling, appearance medium-sized with vivid metallic blue-green plumage and orange-yellow eyes. Range Southern Africa, South Africa, Botswana, Namibia, Zimbabwe, Mozambique. Behavior very adaptable, often found around villages and farms. Feeds on insects and fruits. Habitat open woodlands, grasslands, gardens, and farmlands. Asian pied starling, appearance black and white plumage with orange bare skin patch around the eye and yellow-orange bill. Range Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Behavior often seen in pairs or small flocks, noisy with varied calls. Adapts well to human settlements. Habitat open fields, farmlands, villages, and urban areas. White-cheeked starling, appearance grayish-brown body, blackish crown, white cheeks, and orange bill and legs. Range East Asia, China, Korea, Japan, Taiwan, Russia, and Far East. Behavior gregarious, especially outside breeding season, often seen foraging on the ground. Habitat open countryside, farmland, parks, and towns. Black collar starling, appearance striking with body with bold black collar around the neck, black wings with white patches, and yellow bare skin around the eye. Range mainland Southeast Asia and southern China. Behavior noisy, conspicuous, and often found in small groups. Mimic sounds. Habitat farmlands, scrub, and urban areas. Wattled starling, appearance pale gray-brown body, black cap in breeding plumage, and distinctive yellow facial wattles around the bill. Range sub-Saharan Africa. Behavior nomadic and gregarious, follows rainfall to find food, often in large flocks with other starlings. Habitat grasslands, savannas, farmlands, and open country. Chestnut-tailed starling, appearance light gray head, whitish face, pale gray body, and a rich chestnut tail and rump. Bill in yellow with a bluish base. Range South Asia and Southeast Asia, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, etc. Behavior social, usually in small flocks, feeds on fruits, nectar, and insects. Habitat open woodlands, cultivation gardens, and orchards. Brahmini starling, appearance buffy orange body, glossy black cap with slight chest, pale blue eye skin, and yellow bill with bluish base. Range Indian subcontinent, India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan. Behavior often in pairs or small groups, versus conspicuously melodious singer, habitat grasslands, scrub, agricultural fields and towns. Red-winged starling, appearance glossy black plumage males or slightly duller slate gray females with bright chestnut red wing panels visible in flight. Range eastern and southern Africa, Europea down to South Africa. Behavior often persists on cliffs and tall buildings. Strong failure forms flocks outside breeding season. Habitat cliffs, rocky areas, urban buildings and savannas. Tristram's starling, appearance mostly black with a purplish sheen and orange-red wing patches seen in flight. Long tail and slightly curved bill. Range Middle East, Israel, Jordan, Yemen, Oman and Saudi Arabia. Behavior noisy and social, often in groups, frequently associates with human at desert, monasteries and oases. Habitat arid rocky areas, deserts, cliffs and wadis. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.